everyone! Today we're going to be making clay jewelry plates. You will need clay of your choice, paint brushes, gloss finish, clay knives, palette, and acrylic paint. First, soften your clay, then roll it into a ball, then flatten it. Carve the flattened clay into a heart, then clean up the sides. Once it looks good, put it aside. Take another clay and roll it into a tube. Then, wrap it around the heart-shaped clay. Flatten it so it's leveled with the heart. Roll another piece of clay into a thicker tube. Wrap it along the sides of the heart. You can use water to help smoothen it out. Now you're done with the plate itself. It is time to make the legs. Take 2 colors of clay and twist them together. This was too small, so we used more clay to make it thicker. Take the amount you need and roll it. Make 3 of these pieces. Here, the clay is around half an inch thick. We're going to bake this at 130 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Once it is done, take it out of the oven. Cool it down by covering it with a cloth. Next, bake the legs. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and cool it down by covering it with the cloth. Once it is cooled down, we can cover it with gloss finish. This will protect your product and make it glossy. After that's done, let all the pieces dry. Then, use a hot glue gun to glue the leg pieces onto the back of the plate. Ta-da! You're done! First, Take out a piece of your clay and soften it. Roll it into a ball and flatten it. Take out more clay and make 2 uniformed smaller circles. Attach the 2 smaller circles onto the bigger circle. Flatten the sides to make it less circle-shaped. You can use water to attach the pieces better. Take out more clay and roll a long tube. Stick it to the outer part of the clay that was made before by using water as the glue. Roll another tube of clay that is around the same size and stick it on top of the tube that we attached before. This will be the wall of the plate. Repeat the steps to get the third layer of the wall. We are now going to start painting using the acrylic paint, and we are going to start by making a light blue color. Paint it on the walls of the plate. Paint the inner wall, the outer wall, and also the back side of the plate. Next, make a light green color with the acrylic paint. Paint it on the face of the plate. It's okay if some of the paint got on the wall because we can retouch it. Using black paint and a smaller brush, paint on the eyes. Don't forget to paint the nose. Here, I use black permanent marker for easier control when adding the mouth. Let the paint dry. I added gloss finish on the wall of the plate. Once it has dried, you're done.